The Joint Arewa Committee said the interactive session was to interface with the presidential candidate in order to know how they intend to address some of the challenges bedeviling the North. These groups welcomed the move behind the interface with the presidential candidate but decried their non-inclusion in the exercise.
Joint Committee of Arewa actually is just some selective number of groups that are not more than 5, which are, even if you look at it within its own membership, these same 5 organizations, a lot of members within them were not even consulted or involved. I, for one, I'm not just a member or a convener of Arewa Consultative and Synergy Congress. I'm equally a member of ACF. And being a member of ACF, I feel it's my right to know if ACF is going to engage itself into such activity. But the motive is quite a good one, but the kind of move is not really a welcome one for now.
I am also a member of ACF, but I'm not aware. For every meeting of ACF, I receive a text message, I attend a meeting of the ACF, and I participate fully. But for this one, I saw that ACF is part of it, but I was not informed, I was not aware. And it was not too long when we held a National Executive Meeting of ACF, and it was not mentioned there.
The groups want a written agreement between the North and the candidate in order to commit them to addressing the challenges confronting the North.
That is why we are faulting the whole thing. It is we that are supposed to present our own agenda to them. That's exactly what should be. The ideal thing is Arewa, all-encompassing, should be the one to set the ball rolling. You as a candidate should fall into our own demand, our own agenda. That's how it is done.
Are you supposed to call this presidential candidate for them to tell you what they intend to do for you in the North? Or you are supposed to call them and tell them this is what we need in the North? Read through, agree, make a pronouncement, and let's sign an agreement publicly before the world that you have agreed to the terms and conditions of North and Northerners. If you want North and Northern vote, if you want to be elected by Northerners, Northerners are presenting to you the Northern agenda. This is our agenda. This is what we need. This is what the Northerners want. This is what we are expecting from you if you become a leader. If you agree, you sign publicly. All the representatives sign. We agree that there is a pact between the North and a presidential candidate A, presidential candidate B, presidential candidate C, and all the 18 presidential candidates.
The groups urged the electorate to obtain their permanent voter card and vote for credible leaders in 2023.